What's going on YouTube? It's your boy. We're back with a review here. We're going to be doing things a little bit more different this time around. We're going to be reviewing the Apple Airpods Max. Here's the bag. Comes in, you know, standard bag. So let's take these puppies out. Airpods Max. There's not much on it. They come in a case with the space gray because I really like the black on black space gray look for them. But open it up to you guys. Let's see if I can get this case off. There you go. You're seeing it before me. It's got the protective paper over the head thing. Let's pull them out. You have them. They got the cushioned headband. They are pretty heavy, but not as heavy as everybody makes them out to be. Let me take the plastic paper off real quick. So you guys can see. And we're gonna pick them up. Bam. They do come with these covers on them. Just take these off. So the headphones. They do make that scratching noise right here in the middle. I feel like they're gonna scratch up a lot, and on the inside you got right and left, so you know exactly where to put them on from, and you just twist them this way, twist them inwards. You cannot twist them the other way, it won't let you bend all the way back, so just put them like that. Now let's see. Okay, so it looks like they're on already. I don't know if you guys can see. It's not gonna show you because my face is in the way. There's a little blinking light going on right now because these are always on. When you pull them out of this case, they come out of sleep mode. When you put them in the case, they go into sleep mode. There's something about the case and the magnet and keeping them apart. There's like a magnet in here in this area that keeps them in sleep mode. Let's see what's in here. You got your standard little paper thing. You know how that is. You got your charging wire, your USB-C to lightning charging wire. Let me see. Let's see if we can pair them up. See, it's connecting. And then you're just supposed to pull them down. Oh wow, that's pretty satisfying actually. You just pull them down. Let's see, I'm not really sure how big my head is. So it's right and left, so we'll go this way. Oh, this is the volume. Oh wow. Wow. Can't hear anything, and it's usually loud in here. My voice sounds so weird. Because they have a lot of traffic in this area, so when I put these on, I don't hear the traffic at all. It automatically detects when I put them on as well, which is kind of cool. Let's play a song. Let's see. Let's try that new Anuel album. Sounds good. It's pretty good. Sounds really good. I could barely hear myself. I know you guys can hear me, but I can barely hear myself with these things on. Wow. That's really good. Like, I can't hear anything with these things on. I'm gonna use them right now actually to edit this video that I'm shooting right now on my camera. But yes, this is dope. I love it. You got these, of course, the covers that I said. I just have to get a carrying case for it. I heard there's a lot of carrying cases that come with a little piece of metal in between, so when you put them in, they do still do that sleep mode. So I'm probably gonna invest in one of those. If you guys know any carrying cases, please let me know. Leave it in the comments. Let me know if you guys own a pair of these. Do you like them? Are they worth it for you? Do you think that this is a worthy purchase? I know they're supposed to come out with a generation 2 sometime in 2023, they're saying, so but I went along and got these, and I'm pretty happy with my purchase so far. I'm gonna give it more of a test. If anything, maybe I will do another review after a few months of having them and wearing them. Maybe I'll do a review. Leave a comment below if you'd like to see that review as well. But until the next one, I'm out. Peace.